Hello teacher and classmates. My name is Lady Joanna Centeno Diaz. Today I want to share with you something that I do and that I also like to do. I want to share with you about the dance. I love to the dance to Glory Fitwood. To run dance I have him all that I am torn it all pain, all affliction it's removed. To run dance I regocijo that was born to worship and that I was chosen for salvation. I want to share with you this very beautiful verse that it says. 2 Samuel 6:14. David danced with all its might before the Lord, and he was clothed in a linen ephod. There are many ways to serve it and worship God, but it is the way and this is the talent that God has given me to worship Him with all the strength of my heart.
Just as David danced with all his might before Jehovah and recognized the power of his name, so to did we dance for our God.
I love to dance. Dance is the secret language of the soul.
Como el sol brillando en majestad, en color transformó la oscuridad. Nuevo soy, encontré mi identidad. Vida tú me das. Vida tú me das.
God gives color to my dance.
And you recognize what you were called and with you are alive to this day. It is time that you give it your life to God. Happy evening. God bless you.